देवी और सज्जनों, टैली द्वारा आयोजित एमएसएमई ऑनर्स के नॉर्थ जोन संस्करण में आप सभी का स्वागत है। सूक्ष्म लघु और मध्यम उद्यम यानी कि एमएसएमई देश के सामाजिक तथा आर्थिक विकास में एक प्रमुख योगदान करता है। देश की जीडीपी और निर्यात में इनके योगदान के कारण इस क्षेत्र को महत्वपूर्ण स्थान मिला है। इस क्षेत्र ने विशेष रूप से भारत के छोटे शहरों और ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में उद्यमिता, विकास और रोजगार के संबंध में भी बहुत योगदान किया है। हालांकि एमएसएमईज किसी भी अर्थव्यवस्था की नब्ज के लिए बहुत ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है, हम अक्सर इन बात को भूल जाते हैं कि वो कौन है और कहां से आए हैं। छोटे व्यवसाय देश के कोने कोने में फैले हुए हैं और जबकि बाहर से वे एक दूसरे के बहुत आसपास मिलते जुलते दिख सकते हैं, लेकिन विविधता ही उनका प्रतीक है। इन विभिन्नताओं के बावजूद जो चीजें उन सभी को जोड़ती हैं वो है उनकी भावना, उनके मूल्य और नवाचार, विकास और उनके साथ काम करने वाले लोगों की देखभाल के प्रति उनका रुझान। ये विशेषताएं न केवल उन्हें परिभाषित करती है, बल्कि हर एक एमएसएमई को हम सबकी आंखों में एक हीरो का स्थान देती है। तो चलिए इसी के साथ शुरू करते हैं आज का ये कार्यक्रम। टू बिगिन विथ, it is my honor and privilege to call up to the virtual stage Mr. Vikas Verma, Senior DGM, Partner Business Group, North Zone, Tally Solutions.
Thank you, Pramit, and good morning, everyone. मैं आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं, and I hope and wish कि आप और आपके loved ones सभी सुरक्षित होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे, और मैं आपका समय देने के लिए सराहना करता हूं। I am Vikas Verma, and on behalf of Tally Solutions Private Limited, मैं आप सभी का और हमारे चीफ गेस्ट एंड स्पीकर्स का इस ओकेजन की शोभा बढ़ाने के लिए धन्यवाद देता हूं। हम वास्तव में चाहते थे कि हम वर्चुअल फॉर्मेट के बजाय व्यक्तिगत रूप से आपको होस्ट करें, लेकिन हम ये सुनिश्चित करेंगे कि आप सभी इस सेशन का आनंद लें और इस सेशन के दौरान हमारे चीफ गेस्ट, हमारे स्पीकर्स जो अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करेंगे, उससे डेफिनेटली हम सभी को कुछ न कुछ टेक अवे, कुछ न कुछ लर्निंग, कुछ न कुछ आइडियाज मिले, ये हम सुनिश्चित करना चाहेंगे। विद दैट नोट, I also want to say that I also want to welcome our chief guest and our speakers, and ये मेरे लिए बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है इनको इंट्रोड्यूस करना। So with that note, I welcome Shri BC Bhartiya ji, National President CIIT, Dr. Sindhu Bhaskar ji, Co-Chairman and CEO of EST Global Inc. and Board MSME Business Forum India. जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि 27 जून को हम हर साल इंटरनेशनल एमएसएमई डे के रूप में मनाया जाता है। टैली सॉल्यूशंस पिछले कुछ वर्षों से इस ओकेजन को आपके साथ सेलिब्रेट करता आ रहा है और इसके बारे में हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को जोड़ना चाहते हैं, जोड़ रहे हैं और सबको एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं। विद दैट, टैली सॉल्यूशंस का ये भी प्रयास रहा है कि हम ऐसी यूजफुल फोरम्स को आपके साथ कनेक्ट करें जिससे कि आपके जैसे बिजनेसेस को इसका बेहतर से बेहतर आप इसका फायदा उठा सकें, आप इसका लाभ उठा सकें अपने बिजनेस में। उसके साथ ही जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि देश की सोशियो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट में एमएसएमई का बड़ा योगदान है। हमारे देश के जीडीपी में आपका एक महत्वपूर्ण कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है और आपका एक महत्वपूर्ण स्थान है। इस सेक्टर में ने भारत में एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट के साथ साथ लार्जेस्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोड्यूसर का भी के रूप में भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है। एंड जैसा कि मेरे फ्रेंड प्रमीत ने बताया कि यू हैव ऑलवेज शोन ट्रेमेंडस स्पिरिट, वैल्यूज एंड डिजायर फॉर इनोवेशन, तो ये डेफिनेटली आपको हमारे कंट्री, हमारे देश के लिए नए नायक और हीरोज के रूप में प्रस्तुत करते हैं। उसके साथ साथ एक और बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बात मैं आपके सामने रखना चाहूंगा ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ टैली। पिछले विगत 30 वर्षों से भी ज्यादा समय में आपने हमारे को टैली सॉल्यूशंस को बहुत सपोर्ट किया है। आपके सजेशंस, आपके फीडबैक की वजह से ही आज टैली इस मुकाम पे पहुंचा है और हमारे 20 लाख हैप्पी कस्टमर्स टैली से अपने बिजनेस के, अपने व्यापार को बढ़ाने में इस प्रोडक्ट के थ्रू, इस टैली सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू अपने काम को बड़ी ही आसानी से, बड़ी ही सरलता के साथ में करते हैं। आपका फीडबैक, आपका सजेशन हम हमेशा अपने कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट एक्टिविटी के दौरान जो हमारी टीम करती है, हमारे पार्टनर्स करते हैं, हम सब आपसे मिलते हैं। आपने हर समय हमारे को जो है प्रोत्साहित किया है। आपने हमेशा अपने सजेशंस दे करके इस टैली प्रोडक्ट को, जैसा कि मैं 2-3 चीजें यहाँ जरूर रखना चाहूंगा, अकाउंटिंग, इन्वेंट्री, जीएसटी, ई वे बिल, ई इनवॉइसिंग, इन सभी चीजों के दौरान और बहुत सी ऐसी महत्वपूर्ण और भी चीजें हैं जहां पे आपने हमारे को फीडबैक दिया, आपने अपने सजेशंस दिए, और उन सजेशंस के बेसिस पे आज टैली प्राइम आपके सामने, आपके बिजनेस में, आपके बिजनेस करने के तरीके के साथ साथ उसको अडॉप्ट करते हुए आपको 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 सपोर्ट करने के लिए अपना काम करता रहता है। सो थैंक यू फॉर दैट, फॉर गिविंग योर सपोर्ट, फॉर गिविंग योर सजेशंस। उसके साथ साथ ही, एज हम सभी लोग जानते हैं, वी आर ऑल्सो हैप्पी टू सेलिब्रेट द एमएसएमई ऑनर सेरेमनी टुडे। जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, एमएसएमई डे के अवसर पर हमने एमएसएमई के कॉन्टिन्यूस कंट्रीब्यूशन को रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए एमएसएमई ऑनर का शुभारंभ किया है। और ड्यूरिंग द सेशन हमारे एमडी मिस्टर तेजस गोयनका, ही विल टॉक मोर ऑन दैट, ही विल गिव यू मोर डिटेल ऑन दैट। बट बिफोर दैट, मैं आपको ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ टैली सॉल्यूशंस आई सैल्यूट यू, मैं सलाम करता हूं। और आपके सम्मान में एक छोटा सा वीडियो है, मैं अपने फ्रेंड प्रमित को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, इफ यू कैन जस्ट प्ले दैट वीडियो टू द ट्रिब्यूट टू ऑल द एसएमईज।
कभी उस एक मुस्कान से जो सब मुमकिन कर जाए, जीत की उस खुशी या हौसले की आह में पहचान लेते हैं उन हीरोज को हम, बिन बताए उन लफ्जों से। आंखों में बंद बेचैनियों से, कलाई में छिपी उस जिद से उनकी पहचान लेते हैं हम हीरोज को, दिल से निकलते उन इशारों से। इरादों पर जिनको यकीन हो, हर मोड़ पे मंजिल दिखे जिनको, दिख जाते हैं उनमें हीरोज हमें, मुश्किलों में भी हाथ बढ़ाते हुए। कभी किसी की यादों में, पन्नों चलती कहानियों में रह जाते हैं इनके नाम दिलों पर, बनकर हमारे हीरोज हमेशा। हर वो बिजनेस जिनके इरादे मुश्किलों से भी मजबूत होते हैं, जिनकी मेहनत से देश आगे बढ़ता है, वो हैं और रहेंगे हमारे हीरोज हमेशा। और इन हीरोज को टैली इंटरनेशनल एमएसएमई डे के मौके पर सलाम करते हैं।
So with that, thank you for joining us, and I will hand over to this to Pramit. Pramit can take the proceeding forward. Pramit, please.
Thanks a lot, Vikas ji, for those inspirational words and of course for that lovely video. Next, ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to invite on the virtual stage National President of CAIT and also an esteemed member of our jury, Mr. B.C. Bhartiya. Sir, if we can have you to please share your thoughts on this August occasion.
Thank you, Panit, thank you, Tally, thank you all the heroes and all MSMEs. हमारा सौभाग्य है कि हम देश की अर्थव्यवस्था के लिए जमीनी स्तर की भूमिका निभाते हैं। साथियों, आपको ये समझना है कि हम कौन हैं। MSMEs जनरली जब अपने आप को प्रोजेक्ट करता है तो मैं छोटा आदमी हूं, हम छोटे लोग हैं, हम अपने आप को इस तरीके से प्रोजेक्ट करते। कहने का मतलब है कि हम हनुमान की भूमिका में हैं। हनुमान जी को बताना पड़ता था कि तुम कौन हो। और अपने शुरू के ही बातों में प्रणीत ने जो कहा कि हम जीडीपी में सबसे ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूटर है, एक्सपोर्ट में सबसे ज्यादा हम कंट्रीब्यूटर है। साथियों, ये पूरा जो मीडिया है या ये जो ब्रांडिंग का काम है, ये सब सो कॉल्ड इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट जिन्होंने करोड़ों अरबों रुपए का कर्जा लेके रखा है, इनके कब्जे में चला। और कहीं ना कहीं ये लोग बड़े हैं ऐसा समाज में प्रोजेक्ट करके जो असली काम करने वाले हैं समाज में, वो पीछे हो रहे हैं। आज हमारे देश में सबसे बड़ा इशू है रोजगार का। सरकार खुद कहती है कि रोजगार उपलब्ध कराने के संसाधन सीमित है, तो काम कैसे होगा? रोजगार का सबसे बड़ा जरिया है स्वरोजगार, और ये स्वरोजगारी कौन है? एमएसएमई। खुद अपना रोजगार क्रिएट करते हुए ये किन लोगों को रोजगार दे रहे हैं, समझने का प्रयास करें। जो गांव से आ रहे हैं, हम कभी नहीं पूछते कि तेरा रिज्यूमे दे, तेरा पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस बता, तेरा बदन एकदम सही है कि नहीं, कहीं से तू लंगड़ा या कहीं लूला या कुछ तो नहीं है, हम कुछ नहीं पूछते। जैसा मानव संसाधन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स हमको मिलता है, हम उसको डेवलप करके उसको प्रोडक्टिव बना लेते हैं। ये क्या साधारण बात है? ये सिर्फ एमएसएमई करता है, बड़ी कंपनियां नहीं कर सकती। उनको तो रिज्यूमे होना, पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस होना, यानी कैसा है कि ये लोग अरबी घोड़े को साधारण घोड़ा बना सकते हैं और एमएसएमई एक खच्चर को अरबी घोड़ा बना सकता है। ये हमारी काबिलियत। हमारे यहाँ कैपिटल की बहुत कमी है, बहुत कम कैपिटल, अवेलेबल कैपिटल बहुत लिमिटेड है। आप एमएसएमई को देखो, जितनी पूंजी उसकी है या जितनी पूंजी वो जमा कर सकता है, उतने में ही अपना व्यवसाय खड़ा करके और उसको आगे बढ़ा। समझने का प्रयास करिए, हम लोग कौन लोग हैं? ये जितना भी टर्नओवर है, ये फाइनल टर्नओवर एमएसएमई के माध्यम से ही जाता है, ये भी समझ के रखिए। कंपनियां कितना भी बना ले माल, उसको बेचेगा कौन? एमएसएमई। और अभी तो अच्छी बात ये हो गई कि अभी 5-7 दिन पहले ही जो 2017 में इन्होंने होलसेलर और रिटेलर को एमएसएमई रजिस्ट्रेशन से वंचित कर दिया था, अब वापस नोटिफिकेशन आ गया और हम लोगों को भी एमएसएमई का रजिस्ट्रेशन मिलने लगेगा। समझना जरूरी है कि सरकार एमएसएमई को फोकस क्यों दे रही है, एमएसएमई डे क्यों बनाया जा रहा है। क्योंकि सरकार को भी मालूम है कि $5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी अगर लेके जाना है, देश में रोजगार निर्मित करना है, देश की अर्थव्यवस्था को मजबूती प्रदान करना है, तो वो हमारे देश का एमएसएमई के अलावा दूसरा नहीं कर पाएगा। ये हमारी शक्ति है, ये शक्ति को पहचानना जरूरी है। ये शक्ति को और शक्ति देने का काम कौन कर रहा है? साथियों, हम लोग अगर कहीं कमजोर थे तो हम लोग हिसाब किताब लिखने में कमजोर थे। हमारे पास अकाउंटेंट्स का प्रॉब्लम था, हमारे को अकाउंटिंग कैसे करना ये नहीं समझता था, बीकॉम में अकाउंट्स कैसे पढ़ना ये नहीं समझता। मैं आभारी हूँ गोयनका परिवार का, बाबूजी से लेके, भरत जी से लेके और अभी तेजस गोयनका तक। साथियों, ये टैली ने जो हमको सॉल्यूशंस प्रोवाइड किए हैं, अब वो डेबिट दिस क्रेडिट दैट, ये और फिर नरेशन लिखो, ये सारी कहानियां जो अकाउंटेंसी की होती थी, ये सारी कहानियां खत्म हो गई। चेक दिया है, बैंक डे बुक में लिख दो किसको दिया, पोस्टिंग और बाकी सारी खतौनी वतौनी अपने आप हो जाएगी, कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं। बैंक से दिया, कैश में दिया, सब चीज की डे बुक बन गई। सेल किया तो सेल का बिल लिख दिया, अपने आप डेटर लेजर में पोस्टिंग हो गई। अब समझने का प्रयास करिए कि अकाउंटेंसी मेड सिंपल, एमएसएमई ट्रेडर फ्रेंडली अकाउंटेंसी अगर कहीं से आई तो वो कल्पना टैली ने। टैली ने जब अपने सॉल्यूशंस लाए और आपको बताए कि बॉस समझो, और मैं सबसे आग्रह करता हूं कि टैली के सारे सॉल्यूशन समझने का प्रयास करें कि टैली क्या है। ये अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर मैं नहीं मानता हूं। आज टैली कौन है? ये मेरा अकाउंटेंट है, ये मेरा फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर है, ये मेरा कंसल्टेंट है, ये मेरा ऑडिटर है और ये मेरा कंप्लायंस करने वाला। साथियों, जब ये हम इसको पैकेज को यूज करते हैं, अगर हमने कोई लिमिट से ज्यादा कैश पेमेंट किया, वो ब्लिंक कर देता है, ये आप नहीं कर सकते, या आपने टीडीएस किया क्या, खुद ही आपको ऑन द स्पॉट बताता है। ये समझना जरूरी है। हम कोई गलती नहीं कर पाएंगे, हम कोई गलती नहीं कर पाएंगे, ये समझना जरूरी है। अभी हाल ही में आप देखिए कितने संवेदनशील वो इनका परिवार है, भरत भाई कितने संवेदनशील है। कुछ कानून बन रहे थे जिसमें व्यापारियों को तकलीफ आ सकती थी, तुरंत वो विषय को उठाया गया, सरकार को बताया गया कि नहीं, इसमें आम व्यापारी को, एमएसएमई को तकलीफ हो सकती है, इंस्पेक्टर राज और मजबूत हो सकता है, भ्रष्टाचार को बढ़ावा मिल सकता है, और तुरंत उसको स्थगित कराया। ये बातें हमें समझना बहुत जरूरी। मैं आभारी हूं टैली टीम का, पूरे टैली परिवार का, कि एमएसएमई को प्रोत्साहन देने के लिए आप ये जो हीरोज का अवार्ड लेके आए हैं, ये कितना जरूरी था और कितना प्रोत्साहन देता है। हम लोग देखते हैं सिर्फ बड़े लोग का मतलब है बड़ी फैक्ट्री वाले, जो बड़े कर्जदार लोग हैं, जिन्होंने कर्जा खूब लेके रखा है। इन लोगों को तो सब लोग कहीं ना कहीं सम्मान देते हैं। एमएसएमई को सम्मान देने का और उनको प्रोत्साहित करने का काम टैली ने किया है, और मेरा ये सौभाग्य है कि ज्यूरी में एज वन ऑफ द मेंबर ऑफ ज्यूरी मुझे चयन किया। साथियों, जितने भी लोग यहाँ हैं, जितने लोग शॉर्ट लिस्ट किए गए थे, मैं यहाँ पर एज वन ऑफ द मेंबर ऑफ ज्यूरी कन्फेस करना चाहता हूँ, इतना डिफिकल्ट था। सब लोगों ने इतना अच्छा कार्य किया है, चाहे वो सामाजिक फील्ड में हो, चाहे वो कोविड के काम में हो। यानी ये था कि यार सबको तो पूरे नंबर देंगे, मगर सबको चुनना बड़ा मुश्किल था। तो मैं आपको बताता हूं कि एज अ मेंबर ऑफ ज्यूरी, सारे हीरोज में से हमने एक हीरो को, क्योंकि करना जरूरी था, तो हमने सारे हीरोज में से एक हीरो चुना, मगर वो हीरो सारे हीरोज को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, क्योंकि सब हमारी नजर में एट पार थे। बहुत बहस हुई कि किसको हम कम करें। सभी ने उत्कृष्ट काम किया, सभी ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, और इसके लिए आप सब बधाई के पात्र हैं। देखिए, ये एक प्रोसीजर होता है कि हमको किसी एक को चयन करना पड़ता है, मगर सारे लोग एकदम बेस्ट थे, और सबको मैं बहुत अपने दिल से बधाई देता हूं। और इसी प्रकार आप कार्य आगे करते रहें। पूरे टैली परिवार को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं, उनका भी आभार मानता हूं कि मुझे आज बोलने का मौका दिया। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद Bhartiya ji, and indeed your presence here today has provided a great impetus to today's program. Next, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call up Dr. Sindhu Bhaskar, co-chairman and CEO of EST Global Incorporated. and board member, MSME Business Forum. Sir, if you can have you on the virtual stage to please share your thoughts.
Thank you. Good morning, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sindhu Bhaskar, a board member in the MSME Business Forum India, and I'm the co-chairman and founder of ESG Global Inc., based at Cambridge Innovation Center, MIT Boston. It is a great opportunity to be invited to such a new beginning for the MSME. We had never heard of MSME honors till Tally Solutions decided to honor MSME heroes from across geographies under 5 categories: Wonder Women in MSMEs, business veterans, social patrons, digital transformers, and idea icons. Undoubtedly, MSME sector is the building block of our economy, but they are still to be the celebrities of our economic system. So virtually, Tally Solutions is celebrating the unsung heroes, and on behalf of our MSME forum, we give them a big hand of applause. The MSME policy is effective from 1st April 2012 with the objective of promotion and development of micro and small enterprises by supporting them in marketing of products produced and services rendered by them. The government in June 2017 removed retail and wholesale traders from the MSME category. 4 years after being excluded from the category of micro, small, and medium enterprises, the Union government on last Friday issued fresh guidelines to reinstate the retail and wholesale trades as MSMEs. Surely, the pandemic and its crippling impact has necessitated many changes. The government has time and again announced various schemes for MSMEs in order to help them get access to funds and tide over the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The wholesale and retail traders will therefore now be eligible to avail those schemes and gain from the benefits attached to them. Similarly, Amazon Small Business Days 2021 conveys a strong message of hope, encouragement, and acknowledges the resilience of lakhs of small business to bounce back successfully after falling during 2020 and 2021. The pandemic has made us realize the importance of the MSME sector as the fundamental pillar of our domestic economy. Further, every economy to revive from the recurring recessionary pressures and the intermittent turbulence of economic depressions and financial shocks require a reset using technology. Our agenda in this digital and fintech era should be crystal clear after governmental support and widespread recognition. As on this day, since the MSME sector has manufacturing as well as retail and wholesale trades, so first we need to have a sectoral agenda. The manufacturing sector should focus on transitioning to a holistic circular economic model. It is critical to reduce the environmental degradation and prioritizing biodiversity and nature without compromising on future competitiveness. A circular economy with virtual twin models and robotic process automation is a real prescription for manufacturing sector. Let us understand them individually with little details. A circular economy is an economic system aimed at eliminating waste and the continual use of resources. Circular system employs reuse, sharing, repair, refurbishment, remanufacturing, and recycling to create a closed loop system, minimizing the use of resource inputs and the creation of waste, pollution, and carbon emissions. The circular economy aims to keep products, equipment, and infrastructure within a single loop. Forging a path to a truly circular economy thus requires collaboration across the ecosystem. Secondly, virtual twins are real-time, virtual representative of a product, platform, or even an ecosystem as complex as a city. They are used to invent, model, and test disruptive innovations. By modeling entire value chain, vertical twins can improve the sustainability of products and services across the life cycle, cradle to cradle, from designing for reuse to minimizing material use during manufacturing to estimating carbon emissions to modeling reverse logistics for circular economy systems. This is not some promised future technology, but as a proven track record of helping companies and industries around the world and improves the way they grow and operate. There is enormous untapped potential to apply virtual twin technology more widely to address sustainability challenges. Industries like construction and cities, consumer packaged goods, transportation and mobility, life sciences, electrical and electronics, all these are examples of virtual twins. Incremental continuous improvement in productivity, resource use, emissions, and waste reduction are critically needed in Indian MSMEs. And we need to focus on these segments. That is why one is always so thankful and so appreciative of our MSME sector. But now we have to undergo some very technological changes and upgradation to make them more competitive and more productive in the coming era, because that is what is required. As our earlier speakers have said, that we are looking at the economy of a 5 trillion economy. So MSME sectors and all, they have to perform a lot of work in this era because they are the real producers. They are the real producers in real sense. Thirdly, robotic process automation or RPA to automate monotonous and repetitive tasks that are adding to the cost for small businesses. Every penny of increased cost leads to reduced profit. By choosing the most appropriate model, businesses can reduce their overheads and improve productivity. Regarding virtual workforce in our country, we can argue labor is available in abundance, and as initial cost of robo is high, it is difficult to afford for SME organizations. No, we cannot have touch me not attitude, but we need to be selective at the same time and prudent, as we and our MSMEs are not only competing within, but also without on a global scale. We always need to have a global vision. We have a double bonanza always, a huge domestic market and a global market where we need to become the manufacturing center for the globe. And this is going to be the real success story for India because no other country has this potential. China had that, but they have exhausted now with all their political bias to the economic agenda. To summarize, the manufacturing units must continue to create the industrial clusters with ever-growing ecosystem focused to innovation products and production, transforming consumption, and recovering value. Now let us look at the retail and wholesale traders sectors, which should be modernized with blockchain-based systems like the supply chain management, food chain management, inventory management, warehousing management, settlement system, and fully AI-backed processing and data center. It will ensure that each contributor in the supply chain management is plugged through a new age technology. Again here, when we analyze, we find that disruptive technologies have a great role to play. These startups should freely align and combine with the MSME sector to meet the challenges of times. This will also ensure to serve our economy in a decentralized autonomous platform that can also take care of adversities in the production and supply chain. At this juncture, we at MSME Business Forum are successfully putting in all our efforts to connect multinational actors with disruptive players, stakeholders across the value chain to empower, to fully embrace innovation, to prioritize targeted business models for impact, and respond effectively to new domestic and global challenges. Our models of assistance are through a mutually beneficial program of mentorship, collaborative innovation, strategic alliances to create the interactive ecosystem. Our overseas partners are giving their time to guide the MSMEs. We are further scaling it to connect to the MSMEs located in other countries so that we can create cross-border ecosystem for MSMEs. A new vision, a new tech support, a proactive government, and awakened population to the need of scaling MSME is finally here. Let all the MSME owners take advantage of this astronomical convergence of benevolence. Thank you, Tally Solutions. Your effort will create the churn on a yearly basis, and MSME Forum is all out to contribute to the additives on a daily basis. Thank you for inviting me, and thank you everyone for patiently listening to me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bhaskar Ji, for gracing us with your presence here today and for sharing these inspiring words at this special occasion. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, we have a special video message from our MD, Mr. Tejas Goenka. Let us hear what he has to say.
Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us for our very first MSME Honors. We have been serving the MSME community for the last 35 years and have learned so much from you all, and for this, we can't thank you enough. With the MSME Honors, we want to recognize and celebrate the immense contributions that all micro, small, and medium businesses have been making to the economy and society at large. These honors have been built on a simple set of principles. The MSME community is large and diverse, and we must recognize its diversity. And that we have role models who can really share their experiences with us to help us in our own journeys. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for the tremendous response that we have seen, and of course, thank our esteemed jury. I look forward to interacting with our awardees and learning from them. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tejas Goenka. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to step into that part of the program for which all of us have been waiting with bated breath, the MSME Honors announcements. But before we move on, we would like to take this opportunity to thank our esteemed jury from the bottom of our hearts. Going through more than 700 nominations across the country is no mean task, and they have done a stupendous job of what I am sure was an extremely difficult task. So we obviously have Mr. B.C. Bhartia here today with us. Thank you so much, sir, for being a jury for us and for deciding. We would also like to place our thanks to CA Atul Gupta, immediate past president ICAI, and Mr. Pulak Bajpai, deputy editor and head of the business section, dainikabaskar.com. Thank you so much for being there for us. So with that, we will start off the MSME Honors announcements for North Zone. And we are going to start with a special segment, which is the business veteran section. There are entrepreneurs who are in business for the long game, but then there are those who've always visualized their business to be a going concern. They started with humble beginnings, and through their hard work, passion, dedication, patience, and perseverance, they have been able to grow their business many a times. Through the ever-evolving business landscape, ups and downs, they have been resilient, and they have made sure that their business has stood the test of time. The Business Veteran Awards and Honors recognizes such businesses who built strong and sustainable foundations to continually thrive and grow. Let us have a look at the MSMEs we are recognizing under this category. From the city of Red Gold, Solan, this enterprise has made its name for over 6 decades as the pioneer and leader in the field of quality leather chemicals. A fitting testimony to their quality and consistency has been their ability to transcend international boundaries with their global presence. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for C&E Limited. Many congratulations to Mr. Vijay Kumar Bagri and his team at C&E Limited. Let's hear what he has to say.
I am Vijay Kumar Bagri from C&D Limited, Director Commercial. I, on behalf of my team, thank Tally and its team for awarding us Business Veterans MSME Award. Thanks a lot. It has been a nice journey with Tally for many years. They have been very helpful to us in standardizing our processes of accounting and voucher passings. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Vijay Kumar Bagri, for that message. Founded in the year 1987, this business from Dehradun has focused on market research and adopted modern technologies to match the customers' evolving needs, leading to a 10% growth year on year. With a well-equipped testing laboratory and machinery, they span across industrial, pharmaceutical, biomedical, waste management market segments, with customers ranging from defense, pharmaceuticals, hospitals, and others. Please put your hands together for Satya Industries. And here's a message from Mr. Pankaj Gupta from Satya Industries.
Hi everyone, this is Pankaj Gupta, and I would like to thank one and all for choosing me and selecting me for this very prestigious and very important prize. And it makes me feel proud to be nominated and finalized for this very prestigious award. Thank you one and all for this honors on me.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pankaj Gupta, and many congratulations to you as well. With a legacy of more than 25 years, this enterprise from Ludhiana has been standing tall and delivering what it has been committed to right from day one: good quality textile products. With this motto in their mind and soul, they now cater to over 1,000 B2B customers from over 100 countries across the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Sri Tulsi International. And here's a brief message from Mr. Prasann Jain from Sri Tulsi International.
नमस्ते आप सबको, मैं प्रसन्न जैन, ओनर ऑफ श्री तुलसी इंटरनेशनल, टैली और टैली की सारी टीम को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूँ टैली MSME अवार्ड के लिए। मुझे बेहद खुशी हुई है अवार्ड रिसीव करके, और मैं बाकी सारे बिजनेसमैन से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप इस कोरोना काल में अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ का ध्यान रखें और उनको सपोर्ट करें। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Mr. Jain, and many congratulations to you and your entire team at Sri Tulsi. This business from Pathankot first built its name as a flour mill in 2001 and later diversified their business divisions into distributorship of reputed brands such as Unilever and MI. With the passage of time, they have expanded the business across the IT and food industries, keeping the legacy alive. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Chaudhary Associates. Many congratulations to the entire team at Chaudhary Associates, Mr. Ravi Arora, Mr. Pardeep Arora, Mr. Raju Arora. Many congratulations. With a repository of over 2,000 stationery items serving the needs of over 200 B2B customers, this enterprise from Rishikesh is Uttarakhand's most trusted stationery store. With a 15 to 20% growth year on year, right since their inception in 1974, they partner with leading brands to ensure that the finest variety of their loyal customers at wholesale prices. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Suri Enterprises. And we have a message from Mr. Suresh Suri.
Thank you, Team Tally, for recognizing us at the inaugural MSME Honors 2021. We have been a successful independent business in Uttarakhand for over 4 decades. This would not be possible without a devoted team, our loyal suppliers and valued customers. We are proud to say that Tally has been our accounting and technology partner of choice through all our ups and downs in this journey. The past year has been challenging for all MSMEs, but we found silver linings in the form of technological advancement and hidden business opportunities. So to all MSMEs, I would like to say, let's keep improvising, adopting, and overcoming such challenges always. Thank you once again for this honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Suresh Suri, for that lovely message, and many, many congratulations to you and the entire team at Suri Enterprises. Hailing from Rohtak, this business has grown significantly from being a sales dealer to driving outsourced manufacturing, and from there to becoming a full-blown manufacturing unit of nuts and bolts. Serving the industry since 2008, they cater to more than 300 happy customers. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Gaur Fasteners. And we have a message from Mrs. Renu Mangla.
Hi everyone, I'm Renu Mangla, sole proprietor of Gaur Fastener. I'm truly honored to receive this award. Your selection of me for this is such a great and unexpected honor. I would like to express my deep gratitude to Tally Solutions. As far as the award is concerned, I would really like to thank Mr. Mukesh Juneja, who played a significant role in achieving this award. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and many congratulations to you and the entire team at Gaur Fasteners. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of the business veteran segment of the MSME Honors for North Zone. Moving on to our next category, digital transformers. Digital has been the buzzword amongst businesses for the last few years. However, it has been a luxury that has mostly been adopted by large organizations. Small businesses have been challenged by the absence of reliable sources or know-how of digital technologies and support to implement them. Yet, some amongst this group, by their sheer penchant for learning new ways to grow their business, have not only shown a sense of appreciation for digital tools and technologies, but have also successfully adopted them into various areas of their business to drive efficiency and run their business better. The Digital Transformer Honors recognizes such enterprises. So with that, let's have a look at the MSMEs we are recognizing this year under this category. With close to 70 years of experience, this enterprise from Dehradun adopted to new ways of delighting customers via digital marketing. The shift from conventional office sales or offline sales to creating a website during the COVID onslaught to going live on social media handles has all translated into enhanced revenue and profit margins, as their products cater to customers right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Elora Home Aids. And we have a message from Mr. Anupam Gulati from Elora Home Aids.
Hello everyone, I am Anupam Gulati, Director of Elora Home Aids, Rajpur Road, Dehradun. It gives me immense pleasure to receive this prestigious award. I'm grateful to the Tally Solutions and MSME Group on this MSME day to receive this surprising award. My category was Digital Transformer, and I am very highly honored to receive this award today.
Thank you so much, Mr. Anupam Gulati, and many congratulations to you as well. Based out of Kota, this business was manually maintaining all of their customer records, stocks, inventory, and orders. But with the implementation of ERP systems for business process management, they are now able to see a tremendous impact on their order management cycle, which has helped them drive faster and more transparent customer interactions. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for MAN Electronics. Thank you so much. And we have a message from Mr. Kamaldeep Singh as well. Let's hear that.
Hi, myself Kamaldeep Singh from MAN Electronics. I'd like to thank Tally Solutions for selecting us for Pioneers in Digital Transformation Award. I'd also like to thank my team of accounts and the unit, mainly Mahinder, Ashutosh, Mr. Jain, Mr. Satendra, who have worked very hard for this digital transformation for better resource planning and automation of the company. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kamaldeep Singh, and many congratulations to you as well as MAN Electronics. So that brings us to the end of the digital transformer category of the MSME honors. We will now move on to our next segment, the idea icons. The last 18 months threw open a whole host of challenges for businesses across the country. With severe restrictions, losing workforce to reverse migration, scarcity of resources, the struggle was real. The situation was further aggravated for small and medium enterprises, for whom it became a battle for survival. Under such circumstances, finding new ways to keep afloat became a way of life for many of them. The Idea Icon Honors recognizes those businesses who not only rode the wave of challenges through new ideas, but also managed to beat it. So with that, let's have a look at the MSMEs we are recognizing under this category. Based out of Haridwar, this enterprise hit a roadblock when their main business of producing talcum powder was hit during the testing times of COVID. But then they improvised and adapted to the situation at hand by producing sanitizers, hand washes, and Ayurvedic immunity boosting tablets to survive the scare and live on. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the sole recognized company in the Idea Icons category this year, Kanj Products Private Limited. And we have a message from them as well. Let's hear that.
Hi, this is Alok Saraswat, CEO Kanj Products Private Limited. I would like to thank Tally Solutions for the award conferred on us. This is really gratifying to receive this award in these tough times. I once again thank the jury and Tally team. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Alok Saraswat, and many congratulations to you and the entire team at Kanj Products. With that, we will move on to the next category of the MSME honors, social patrons. Some superheroes do not wear capes. They silently serve being around when they are at the most vulnerable. Small businesses have always been known to help local communities when they need it the most. This last year saw unprecedented situations resulting in people from all walks of life getting severely impacted. The Social Patron Honors recognize those entrepreneurs who went above and beyond to help people in need, brought in changes into their business practices to support society, and made umpteen sacrifices while they themselves faced scarcity of resources. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at the MSMEs we are recognizing under this category this year. Based out of Bikaner, this business has been a role model and an inspiration to all around. It has built homes for over 100 homeless people, sponsored programs in the field of education, and has donated 40 lakhs towards setting up Trapant Sabha, an education center for the girl child. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Ras Rasna Foods Private Limited. Many congratulations to Mr. Bothra and the entire team at Ras Rasna. Belonging to the land of the Golden Fortress, Jaisalmer, this business decided to support the folk artists across the city by distributing over 200 ration kits and masks and ensuring a flow of proper precautionary messages to them and their family members to combat COVID-19. Through their NGO, the Priya Foundation, they continue to serve the needy at a time when tourism has taken a hit. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Desert Springs Resorts Private Limited. And we have a message from Mr. Mayank Bhatia. Let's hear that.
मैं मयंक भाटिया, चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर प्रिया ग्रुप, मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूं टेली और टेली की पूरी टीम का, जिन्होंने इस मुश्किल घड़ी में बिजनेसमैन को प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए इस तरीके की पहल करी। इसके साथ ही मेरा अनुरोध रहेगा हमारे सभी बिजनेसमैन भाइयों से, जो अपने एम्प्लॉय और अपने आसपास के सारे जो बिजनेसमैन साथी हैं, उनको प्रोत्साहित करें और उनको प्रेरित करें। Be safe and thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mayank, for those lovely words, and many congratulations to you and your entire team. Hailing from the pink city of Jaipur, this enterprise made it its singular mission to plant trees within their community locations. What started with only a few team members has now increased to a task force of over 50 people. Most importantly, this mission is aimed at creating awareness and invites contributions from the younger generation as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Guru Kripa Jewelers. And we have a message from Mr. Soni as well.
मैं सुमेर सिंह टेली सॉल्यूशन और हमारे टेली पार्टनर संतोष कंप्यूटर के ओनर मिस्टर त्रिभुवन जी सोलंकी और बिजनेस मैनेजर अंकित पारी का धन्यवाद करता हूं कि उन्होंने मेरे सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता होने की उपस्थिति को सम्मानित किया। मैं तहे दिल से आप सभी को धन्यवाद करता हूं और टेली के पूरे परिवार के लिए सुनहरे भविष्य की कामना करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Mr. Sumer Singh Soni, and many congratulations to you and everyone at Guru Kripa Jewelers. This business from Sirmaur has stepped forward for a noble cause by adopting an entire school comprising of 1,200 students and providing them complete financial support, including fees, school dress, and all around the year maintenance. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Nans Med Science Pharma Private Limited. And we have a message from Mr. Manmeet Singh Malhotra on behalf of Mr. LP Singh. Let's hear that.
Namaskar to all. I, Manmeet Singh Malhotra, Director of Nansmet Science Pharma Private Limited, Paonta Sahib, Himachal Pradesh. It's my pleasure to receive this award under the social pattern category. I appreciate TeleSolution to provide wonderful platform to work on it. Thank you and all the best, Tele team.
Thank you so much, and many congratulations to you and the entire team at Nansmed. This enterprise from Sonipat has not only taken care of its employees during the pandemic, but also worked around the clock to serve COVID patients and their families. 1,238 health cards assuring OPD tests at a 50% discount. Deflator machines, over 5,000 raw food kits, over 10,000 food packets, over 1,500 oxygen cylinders, 120 thermometers, 500 face shields, over 10,000 surgical gloves have been donated, causing a difference in the lives of more than 10,000 families. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Paras Packaging. And let's hear a message from Mr. Rakesh Devgan.
Hello everyone, I am Rakesh Devgan, President of Rai Industrial Manufacturing Association and President of Rotary Club of Sonipat Midtown. I am filled with gratitude to receive this award under the category of Social Pattern on International MSME Day 2021. I would like to thank TeleSolution and MSME North Zone for the esteemed recognition. Thank you and all.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rakesh Devgan, for the message, and many congratulations to you. And with that, we have now come to the end of the social patron category of MSME honors. Moving on to the last category that is there in front of us, but definitely not the least, the category of Wonder Woman. Women entrepreneurs are changing the business landscape like never before. Their ideas, purpose, passion, and most importantly, their focus on building sustainable businesses is having a positive impact on the extended ecosystem and the economy. Not just that, these entrepreneurs are inspiring an entire generation of women to not only join the entrepreneurship bandwagon, but also become successful at it. The Wonder Woman Honors recognizes those businesses which are headed by women who have braved the odds to build successful businesses themselves and are role models in the business community. Let us have a look at the MSMEs we are recognizing under this category this year. This enterprise from New Delhi is headed by a Wonder Woman who started her firm single-handedly from the ground up with a staff of 1. Dealing in kids wear in the 2 to 4 years age bracket, they now boast of a phenomenal 400x growth powered by over 10 employees who have placed their trust and sweat behind this organization. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Ask International. And we have a message from Mrs. Gurpreet Khattar as well.
Hello friends, I'm Gurpreet, founder ASK International, presently nurturing my 3 toddlers, Paul and Doll, the teenager clothing brand, Kids and More, the online education platform where you learn without any pressure, and the Digibytes. I'm extremely overwhelmed to receive this prestigious award under the Wonder Woman category on the International MSME Day 2021. I could not believe that creating better earning opportunities for my team members during the difficult times of lockdown could call for a recognition on such an esteemed and celebrated platform. This was a complete surprise to me and an honor to receive this acclaimed recognition from such a well-reckoned platform by TeleSolutions and MSME North Zone. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Gurupreet, for that wonderful message, and many congratulations to you and everyone at Ask International. Once again, from New Delhi, this business is headed by a Wonder Woman who has built a name for her company in a span of just 4 years by onboarding some of the biggest firms such as Amazon India, FB India, and Match Group. A name to reckon with in the consultancy space, this firm works shoulder to shoulder with businesses, philanthropists, and industry associations to advise them on public policy, including policy research and advocacy. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the Quantum Hub Consulting Private Limited. And let's hear a message from Ms. Aparajita as well.
Thank you, Tally, for giving me this honor of being selected as a winner of the Wonder Woman category. Tally is a trusted partner for many small and medium businesses across India, and it's great to be recognized by this company, which has helped us all during this journey, especially first-time entrepreneurs like us, who have found it very difficult many times to just deal with all the compliance norms, the taxation issues, etc. And Tally has been a great partner for all of us. And it's great that Tally has taken this initiative to recognize new entrepreneurs and celebrate their successes. Thank you so much for this honor.
Thank you so much, Ms. Aparajita, and also many congratulations to you and the entire team at TQH. Hailing from Moga, this enterprise is headed by a Wonder Woman who has overcome the odds of life to lead her company to greater heights by the sheer power of her business acumen. With a no compromise policy on product quality, their flagship brand, P-Mark Mustard Oil, continues to rule the roost across Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, and Delhi. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Devi Das Gopal Krishan Private Limited. Many congratulations to Ms. Sindhu Puri and the entire team at Devi Das Gopal Krishan Private Limited. And with that, I would like to take this opportunity to once again congratulate all the winners across all the 5 categories at the inaugural edition of the MSME Honors, which we have conducted here today for the North Zone. But before bidding you all farewell, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank a few people without whom this day would not have been possible. First and foremost, I would obviously want to thank Mr. B.C. Bhartiya for taking time out to attend the session here today. Mr. B.C. Bhartiya, not only National President of CAIT, but also an esteemed member of our jury. I would like to thank Dr. Sindhu Bhaskar, Co-Chairman and CEO of EST Global Inc. and Board Member, MSME Business Forum. Thank you so much, sir, for spending the time here today with us. I would also like to thank Mr. Vikas Verma, Senior DGM, Partner Business Group, North Zone Tally Solutions, for gracing the occasion here today as well. To all the MSMEs who have nominated themselves for these honors and inspired us with their stories, hats off and salute to each and every one of you. And last but not the least, each one of you for being a lovely audience, for taking the time out to attend this ceremony today and by gracing us with your presence. Wishing each and every one of you a great day ahead. God bless, take care, stay safe. Namaskar.